everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to Arbitrage Betting 101. Now, I made a couple videos. Basically, arbitrage betting is you're betting both sides of the fence. You're betting the winner and the loser at the same time, so no matter who wins, you win. And if you look here, we did a quick video about a month or so ago. In April, we made $765. We were betting almost every day. And look at some of these bets. So you're betting over 5.5, under 5.5. Basically, no matter which way you bet, you're winning. So we made 1.81 on this, 1.81% on this bet. So 1.81% doesn't sound like a lot, but it is if you made it on this bet. So look at May. So we're going to go through here real quick. In May, $380. We didn't bet every day, but we bet most of the days. Now, keep in mind that April and May were basketball was going, baseball was just starting, and hockey was going too. So we had a lot of potential bets. A little bit slower in the summer here with only baseball, and I haven't bet every day. I haven't had time. But look at this, still all green, $197 we made in June, and we bet like half the month. So imagine what we could do if we were betting every day. So in July so far, again, not betting, I've made $43.95 in 4 betting days. So today was a good day. We actually picked up a lot of bets right here today, $687 worth of bets. And you can click upcoming bets right here and see what you got. So we got basically $175 on this game, over 5.5 here, under 5.5 here. We're going to net 1.81% on this bet. Actually, look at this one here. I'm only going to make 0.13 on this bet. The reason I took it is because I had a bet guarantee. So basically, it was a free bet. MGM said, hey, we'll give you $25 back if your bet loses. So I'm hoping that the FanDuel bet actually wins, this bet loses, and I'm going to make 0.13%, and MGM's going to give me $25 free bet. So I'm counting on that one. But look at these other bets we got today. France over 4.5, 3.69%. France under 4.5, 3.69%. So I'm going to win either way. Either way, we're winning on this one. Now we got Cleveland Guardians and the Tigers. This is player walks. This is the pitcher. How many walks is he going to get? Over 1.5, under 1.5. I'm going to make almost 5% on this bet. So keep in mind, 5%, you're going to make that in a year in your savings account if you're lucky. I'm going to make that today on this bet. So arbitrage betting is awesome. If you don't like arbitrage betting, they have positive EV betting. You can do middles bets, low hold bets. They have a parlay builder. This is great. If you like this, I'll give you a 7-day free trial. Click the link right down in the description. You're going to get a 7-day free trial to this OddsJam here. And you can try it out for free for 7 days. Make some money. And if you don't like it, well, you still get to keep your money. And it tracks them for you. Easiest way to track them. So let's say here, I'm going to click refresh. See what arbitrage bets are available. I like this because it says risky bet. The reason it says risky is because if that player doesn't start, some casinos, actually if you read it, these books have different house rules for voiding bets. This puts you at risk of one bet losing and the other bet being voided, so you're not technically playing both sides. So look at this one, 2.45%. Actually, this was the one I got at 3.71, so the odds have changed a little bit. But it tells you what to bet. So $58 over here at plus 180, $100 here at minus 162, and I'm going to either make $3.73 or $4.40 if I take this 2.45% bet. Like I said, I got it at 3.71, whatever it was on the other screen. So I'm going to make even more than this on my $158. All right. So again, click that link down in the description. I'll give you a 7-day free trial to check this out. Enjoy it. I'm winning. I'm winning every day. I showed you this is proof right here. Look at all this green. That's all green. All green. Going back to April here. That is all green. There's no losing bets here. When you bet both sides, you can't lose. And we're making money at the same time. So turned a $500 bankroll into $2,500. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up, like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. I'll check it out. I'll make a video. I'll make another video for you. So thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.